girls? I say girls because this video is just made for girls pretty much. So what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I curl my hair in 3 minutes, because lots of y'all be asking how I curl my hair. None of you guys believe me that it only takes me 3 minutes to do. Sometimes only like 2 minutes. Like, if I want this to be done in a minute, I could have it happen. I don't see a lot of people doing, which is weird. Like, I never had a friend be like, oh my god, I do that too. Or like another girl tell me that they do that. Like, I don't know how I discovered it. I forget. I've been doing it my whole entire life. I don't curl my hair the normal way. So, I'm gonna give this a minute to heat up. We'll get into the video. I'm just gonna speed up the video and you'll see how fast it takes, because literally this video is gonna be like 3 minutes long. So what I do is I start by taking all my hair and I flip it, and you need to find an elastic band like this one, a tight one. You can't use like a scrunchie for this. You have to use like a tight band that will keep your hair tight, and you have to brush it out real nice, and then put it in a ponytail as if you are going in an upside down ponytail as high as you can on the point of your forehead, kind of the peak, but make sure that all your hair is in the ponytail, like so. And once it's there, wrap it up. I usually do it twice. And I tighten the ponytail to get the full length hair. Another reason why I like doing this hairstyle is because it, like, if you curl your hair a lot and you find that your hair is dying, it really only like kills the ends, which is good, because like sometimes when people curl their hair they go right up to the top, which is not good for your roots. So then we just go and we curl the ponytail. I do it in smaller sections because I find that it gives it more curl, but the curls are just like more out there. I've had a couple of friends who have tried this and they tell me that it didn't work as well as it did for me, and the first time I did this it didn't work that well, and then the second time I worked really well, and a couple times after that it didn't work well again. So it just takes a couple of times to like really get it. You just have to make sure that like when you're pulling the piece, make sure it's not like strangly and fuzzy, and that like there's not a bunch of excess hair around it. And I just hold it for about like 3 seconds, and then I put it in my palm so the heat like releases in the tight curl. So this is what you do. You see it's in that final touch. Everything's clumped together. You take it out of the ponytail. Boom, it's done. It gives it a lot of volume. It makes it look really poofy. Sometimes if you want you can add like, I like it because it makes my hair look like extra long, because it's like leaves some parts a little bit straighter, but if you want you can go in and curl them. But I like it like that because it like puts it all together like, ooh, ooh. So yes guys, that's my 3-minute tutorial on how to curl your hair. If you like this, subscribe. If you want me to do more things like this, which this is not my thing, but I'll do it if you like it. But go subscribe.